Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. All right, so this one we're going to be retouching this image live here using this AI software called Retouch, an amazing software that allows you to retouch your images without having to do so much. It does the job for you and you just enjoy the result, and you are going to be really impressed by the end of this video. In case you would want to get access to the software, just go to the description of the video. You will see the link pasted over there. Click on it, download it, and when you have registered, you'll be getting 5 free credits that you can use to test it out on your images and see exactly how you can incorporate it into your workflow as a photographer. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. So this is the image we're going to be working with. And if you look at the image, we'll have quite a lot of work to do. And if this is Photoshop, I'm sure this is going to take us nothing less than 25 to 30 minutes to get the job done. But we'll try as much as possible to get it done, even right here in a shorter period of time. So the first thing I want to do on this image is to restore focus on her face. I'll come all the way down to face this focus real quick, just increase it, and it brings it back. Yeah, that is it. Let me show you the before, the after. Although it's not so strong, but you could see that some details are back. Then the next thing I need to do is to fix all the blemishes. So I'll go to the acne on the face, go to that of the body, and also the body blemishes, and we'll have most of the blemishes fixed. Then the next thing is to fix some of these lines and all of that. So I will increase the matte a little bit to reduce the shines on the skin. Then I'll increase the forehead wrinkle in case we'll have any. Do the same thing for my dark circles. The wrinkles around eye and the cheek line. Yeah, and we're done. Look, let me show you. So this is the blemish removal process we've done. The next thing is to properly retouch the image now. So I'm going to collapse this, then go to my skin. The first thing you do in your skin retouching after your blemish removal most of the times is obviously frequency separation. So I'll just come over to my frequency separation and increase it. So immediately does the job. Look at that. Like just the same way a human being would have done it. If you need a lot of details, you can increase your hypers. So I'm just dabbing a little bit of it. Now, the next thing to do is to increase my skin refinement effect. I'll just drop it over here so that if there are some areas we missed, it's going to find it. Then do our neutral our micro dodge and burning effect over here with our neutral gray leveling. Just gives us a very beautiful smooth skin. Then I will restore some of my details using gray contour over here. So once that is done, the next thing to do is to increase this particular one for the body. Yeah, then also a little bit of the skin texture, then AI retouching just a little bit. Now we are done with our skin retouching. Now the remaining thing are some other little effects we need to put on the image to now make it stand out. For example, if you look at this picture properly, you are going to notice that her face and her neck and her body have different colors. So we need to match that skin tone. And to match the skin tone, we just need to come down to skin tone balance and increase it. Look at that, beautifully matched. Just a little bit. Then come to my skin tones itself, select my natural, increase the warmness. Good. So we'll have an amazing skin tone. Look at that, the before, the after, the before, the after. Now the next thing to do is just to do the last final phase of the changes, like the face over here. I want it to push up a little bit, so I'll just move her head upwards a little bit. Yes, I want it a bit more elongated than my eyebrow. I want it slightly tinier than it is already. Very good. Okay, so and that will be it. Then I'll go straight to my body and select natural, because we need to reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so it gives us a more modeling look kind of thing. Go to my makeup, enhance my eyebrow, enhance my eye makeup, lift up my shadows a little or add some shadows to the shot, increase my highlights a little, then go to my contour. I want to select something that will, allow us to bring out the dimensions of the face, reduce it a little bit. Then for my eyebrow, I want something like an high arc, so we just select this and we are good to go. We are done. Let me show you. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So if you feel we lost a lot of things, you can go back in and reduce them. I just wanted to, push it to the extreme so that you will see the results we are having. Like the eye socket, I feel we did so much with the eye socket. So let me just come up here and restore the eye socket. The dark circles. Yeah, just, reduce it a bit, but not entirely. Very good. Okay. Yeah, so this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. If you, in case you want to change the color of the background, you can as well go inside here and go to more, choose any color of background you want for the image, and it's going to still give you a very nice job done. But I think I'm going to stick with what we have originally, which is pure white. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.